Come on, say, my God is awesome.
My God is awesome.
He can move mountains.
He can move mountains.
Keep me in the valley.
Keep me in the valley.
Hide me from the rain.
Hide me from the rain.
My God is awesome.
My God is awesome.
He heals me when I'm broken.
Heals me when I'm broken.
Strength where I've been weak.
Strength where I've been weak.
Forever he'll reign. Come on, if you believe it, lift your voice and say,
My God is awesome.
come on, if you know he's awesome, say it.
Awesome.
Come on and lift your voice.
Awesome.
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 My God.
My God is awesome.
Come on and testify. Awesome.
Awesome.
If you believe it, say it.
Awesome.
Come on and say it. My God.
Hi guys, welcome back to my healing journey family. God is good, God is great. Thank you for my school about to eat, amen. I'm doing Gryo Mukbang today. Is it really doing sound?
Oh my gosh. Wait, don't start your video yet. Cut this part out real quick. Okay, good job. What happened here? He had a disease. Wait, he broke his neck.
Okay, I'm doing a video, go back in there.
He's older. No, he just lost one. He's still alive? Ooh. Shut up. Oh, it's good. I work my phone. SMR.
What is this? Never seen that one. Look at that. Didn't even see it. But yeah, it's good. I'm buy my beef burger coupon. All this on sale. I'm just in my mail. And all on sale. And I like to see what's on sale before I go shopping, get them good deals and bargains out there. Mm. 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 I love getting guy rolls when I go to the fair too. You know, guy rolls. No, the people hack your YouTube channel. Never heard of it, but comment down below if people hack YouTube channels. To steal your views and your watch time minutes. It's that time again for candy apples. I forgot to get me some too. I seen it at Walmart. They look so delicious. I forgot to get 2 packs of it. And caramel apples. Candy apples, they mess up the teeth. Y'all remember I did that Walmart hot deli mukbang? Tell me why the next day I had the runs bad. I had to go back and forth to that bathroom. Had a bad case of diarrhea. Right. And then we usually have our fair. This is the right time for fair. The best time for fair is the fall time. That's the best season to have a fair. And I'm finally glad we having ours. And We said the fair start
October
October.
22nd.
That's a good time for a fair to come in October. I always start October the 22nd to when?
To the November 5th.
To November the 5th. I love to eat fair food. I love fair food. I love their drinks too, and smoothies they be having at the fair. I like to see the kids run up and down, get on the rides, stand in the ticket lines. At our fair, they like to make stuff out of butter, and that's some real unique things they make out of butter. I like the different things, sculptures they do make out of butter. That's nice. Ooh. You don't want no more milk? Rub him on his back. Usually it was already bit off of it because I bit off of it last night. That's what I was in too. When I had got bad news about family. My mom's first cousin had passed away Friday night at his house. He was living with his daughter, but he wanted to pass away at his own house. Here! Rub on his back. Bring him here. Bring me the baby thing. You can't do anything.
What's up, Mommy? Hi, YouTube. My name is Kiwi.
Bring me my BJ coupon book off the table. Here. All the baby want to be rocked. See how quiet he is? He want his mama.
Here you go. Hi, YouTube.
Looking in this BJ's book, spend $50. You get $10 savings. Get $10 savings for a healthy and happy home at BJ's. My kids, Halloween coming up too. Last year, I had lost my auntie on Halloween. All that rain. Rained all day. Because I went earlier that day to my daughter teacher conference with the teacher, and she was saying she gonna go trick-or-treat. I said, yeah, if it stop raining, because my kids not gonna go trick-or-treating in no rain. They're that desperate for candy. You know, I was telling her. So it never stopped raining, so we ended up getting the kids pizza. And my 9-year-old, she was so upset and crying all night. Then some say, get on Facebook. I got on Facebook and I found out I had lost my auntie. My daddy's sister had passed away that morning on Halloween. So I was sad for all that day on Halloween. I didn't even watch no scary movies with the kids or nothing. And I told this time, if it don't rain, she going trick-or-treating, excuse me. She going trick-or-treating. But they didn't go last time, they go this time trick-or-treating. And I ain't gonna take the baby, let the baby stay home with my husband. Stay home with him. And go trick-or-treating. Because one thing on trick-or-treat night, that's when I lose a lot of weight. All that walking up and down. Even dancing, my dancing I like to do, that helps me lose weight too. That's good for losing weight. And it ain't always about going on a diet. It's up to you, you know, what you want to do. Alright. My husband should have took these coupons if he went to BJ's today so he get him some got % off. It's good to go with coupons, they're not. Then y'all know how BJ's let you scan in and you already take the coupons off. They don't do that no more. Now you got to cut out your coupons, they back to that. Cut the coupons out and scan it now yourself. Yep, so I had lost my cousin. And my big cousin told me, she said that she gonna go, but she don't know, you know how they, with this pandemic going on, they have that Zoom service, or they are gonna give him a regular service, but I heard they not giving no Zoom service. They said they giving him a regular service. And I say, well, that's good, you know. Said they gonna either have it this week or next week. But he was a sweet person. Cause I remember when my mom, brother passed away, I went to go see him and stuff, and he liked to sing hymns and stuff because he was a deacon. Oh yeah, he gonna have a beautiful service. They gonna make sure that he was a deacon. He was a good deacon too. A deacon with a heart made out of gold. He was sweet. And I remember his favorite song was Redeemed. So I hope they have someone sing his favorite song, Redeemed, for him. Now he did, he wanted to be with my uncle. And now he with my uncle. They said when he was leaving the world, on his way to heaven, he was calling out my uncle's name. Said, come get him. He ready to be with him. And he came and got him. They was real close. He made sure my uncle had a beautiful service. My uncle looked good. I don't know why when I went for my uncle's service, I did not take a picture of my cousin. I should have took a picture of him when I went. He looked real good in his suit. You never hear nothing good these days. I'm gonna try to get 2 more bites into this guy roll because the baby. Cook my blueberries down your way. Look. He done took it away. Yeah. Ooh-wee. They still, ooh-wee. Don't turn into sandpaper now. Hey, boy. I remember this when I was a little girl. This Light Bright. You know, y'all remember Light Bright. That's, they've been out for years. They still have Light Bright. That's something. They have them Halloween decorations on sale. TVs. Well, y'all, ain't gonna keep y'all long. God bless, peace. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.